I've walked past this building a million times over the years, and I've always admired it. It was originally a machine shop built in the 1940s. There's nothing fancy about it, it's just a big open box with windows on either side. But back in June 2020, this beautiful rental space miraculously became available. The timing was perfect because we had just started Reel. A few phone calls later, and it was ours. The day we got the keys, we met over there, pulled out some old chairs from the basement, cracked a few beers, and started to dream about how we could build out the space to best fit our needs of a video production studio. One thing we knew we wanted to do was break the space up in half. The front half of the space would be for production. The back half of the space would be for office space and post-production. Another issue we knew we were going to deal with was storage space for our equipment. After taking measurements of our space and the gear we needed to store, Josh decided to build a 3D rendering in SketchUp. He accounted for each piece of gear and created a custom space for it within the wall. He even took into account what type of wood would be needed for each space depending on what it would be holding. To class it up, we made 56 2x2 tiles, routed the edges, and stained each one with a white stain. We found while in the design phase that we could fit 2 hidden drawers in the center of the wall under the 60-inch 4K conference display. They are hidden because the face of them matches the 2-foot plywood panels that make up the pattern of the entire wall. We hung the tiles on the wall, switching the direction of the wood grain with every other one. We knew we wanted this wall to be versatile and hold many different items other than production and lighting grip. We also integrated 120-volt outlets and USB charging ports into both drawers, perfect for powering a Raspberry Pi with emulation station to unwind by playing a quick game of Super Mario Bros. This wall is now the centerpiece of our studio, and it is a great example of form and function.